Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am gonna try and finish up these roosters, and I am not at work, guys. Remember, if you see smoke, do not call any help. I am fine. Miss Ember is right there.
Hi.
She is working on something, not on our freestyle sticker series, but she is working on something. So she just decided to sit there while I did this. I don't know why I'm having problems with this today, but I'm gonna do both of these, right, for as long as I can, because in all fairness, guys, I just want them done. I don't know if you guys are getting tired of roosters, but I just want them done. And I kind of feel like what Sweet Tea was doing. I'm not used to having multiple whips going on. And I've had this one, I had the kitties, I had the cupcakes, and I'm really not used to that. And I'm also not used to the fact that when I start something, I like to just work on it until it's done. And I haven't been doing that because I wanted to have different whip-in chats with you guys. And really, I really went outside of my comfort zone. So, and I don't mind doing that because, I mean, that's how you get used to different things. But now I want to get back into getting these done. I just need them done. So I'm going to work on both until I get a lot of it done, and then depending on how much it is, they may or not get done. So you may end up seeing these finished on just a completion video. So I think I have 1 or 2 more cupcakes to do for the sweet treat thing. So yeah, but right now this is just starting to bug me, having so many whips in the fire at one time. So it's just like, get it done. So that's what I'm in the process of doing. So, but don't worry, we're still gonna have whip-in chats. I started my gnome sign and my gnome canvas, which is gonna be brought to you as whip-in chats. Kidding ups, I think, and whip-in chats. So we're still gonna have them. We're just not gonna be on for the birds or for roosters. Fur babies. I think I'm done with both of those. I don't know if those were reds, guys. Let's check. No, they weren't. Okay, I think that's all the red on this one. And I took it all off, and I'm not used to that either.
Hey Mom, what was your favorite one to do, the fur babies or the chickens?
I liked them both. I can't really pick it. I don't pick and choose. I mean, but I'm just so used to getting them up, starting them, and finishing them, you know, on my own, that doing them for whip-in chats was a difference for me. So, and I liked it all the way up until, well, I didn't anymore.
Yeah, you do whip-in chats, but it's just you do a whip-in chat on it, and then you finish it. You don't just do a whip-in chat on it, another whip-in chat on it.
I don't like to have them sitting around waiting, not finished. I can't, you know.
And of course, we're doing that with our sticker series.
Yeah, so now I got the sticker series I'm doing that with, and I've got these I'm doing that with, and I'm just like, I'm done with waiting. So I'm stretching my learning thing, but I have to at least honor, you know, how I like to do things too. So I'm giving and taking, guys, giving and taking. So But and then there's an H right there, and there's 3 down. Oh, not quite there. But I am also going to kit up another thing, or I want to kit up another thing. I kitted up one last night to take with me to work. It was a canvas, and I finished it because it was my mother's for Mother's Day. And guys, I finished it. So I was like, oops. So that'll be just a completion video. So I know I haven't asked, how are you guys doing, right? What are you guys working on? You know, anybody start anything? I don't know why. I know there's more W's in this one. Anybody start anything new? Like I said, I did last night, and I finished it last night. It's a mother's gift from my mother, and this is the way I like to do things. I know Mother's Day is in May, so I like to get it done, right? I still have to I've sealed it. I had major problems with it, guys. Half the freaking canvas didn't have stick. Well, okay, it had stick, but not enough to keep the diamond or pull the diamond out of my pen. It just kept coming back out at me. It wouldn't stick to the canvas. My pen was stickier than it was, and I'm not using glue dots or anything like that. It's just a regular pink wax, right? And then, so I had to use glue because it needs to be done for my mom for Mother's Day. So I pulled out my E6000 that's got the precision tip on it. Oh. Right? And I just done it. I worked on it until it was done, and it just happened to get done last night. So, but wanted to finish up the roosters. No, these are not for gifts. These are for my tree. They're not going to be keychains like like they said when I got them. They're going to go on my little tree right up here, which right now has the Norman kitties on it, my initial of my last name on it, and one dragon, because I still need to film my dragon video for Diamond Grandma. So on this one, I forgot I took this. That's what I'm saying, guys. I forget I take the things off of them. I don't have any W's on that one. I finished this one on both sides, right? I need to seal it on this side. The other side is sealed. The reason it ain't sealed on both sides is because, well, I lost it. Oh gosh. I'm trying to work too fast, and I'm trying to getting to put drills away. These are my tweezers. Ember thinks they're cute. This is what I use in my car, right? When I need to find something because they're small. And they were with my roosters. And Ember's like, oh my God, they're so small. Why are they so small? I was like, because they're mine to take with me. I try and get everything miniature size so it's not so bulky to take with me. And I'm still that way because, well, it's fixing to be summer. And I plan on some trips to the lake, on the boat, fishing. And of course, I don't fish all the time, so sometimes I fish, sometimes I don't. And then And then we're planning on taking like Damon to the park, stuff like that. So I keep things miniature, right? Like the little tray that Ember's working out of, right? It's like the 28 pill bottle case, right? I normally take that and I put in one of these that's empty. I put wax in here, so I don't have to worry about carrying my wax, right? So yeah, guys, it's a thing. Keep it miniature, keep it easy to access, easy to move around, and well, that's how I take this. You can ask Amber. I take this to the laundromat. I take this driving in the car. I diamond paint everywhere, so I keep it mini.
Okay, I don't know why. I love miniature things. Here's a couple reasons. One, they're adorable. They're cute. Two, it reminds me of my mini cooking shows that I used to always watch.
So, yeah, they are cute, but they work for what I need them to work with. That's my thing, is they work. Okay. Yep. I love this. This is actually a green, but it is so dark, right, that you can barely tell it's a green. And I got some yellows in there. I don't know why. I will make sure I don't get them out. But this is so dark of green that you can barely tell. And I'm trying to make sure I'm getting the right color, because for some reason I'm having a hard time seeing this, and I haven't had a hard time seeing this before. I could just see one side of my chicken looking like one and one side of my chicken looking like another thing. And I'm like, So just trying to make sure that they're the same. But chickens should be done today. I hope everybody had a good Sunday. I don't know when you will see it. I had a fabulous Sunday watching church. And after that, it was baths for kids, and it's almost dinner time. So, but it's like, that's me. If I'm not here doing something, then, well, it just don't get done. So, tomorrow is laundry, food buying, take kids to school. Let's see, what else do I have to do tomorrow? Oh, I'm going to try and get a Dollar Tree haul and a completion video made. But we all know that depends on Damon too, so I'm going to go ahead and take that one off too, because it's starting to bother me. But I'm hoping to get all that done, right? Most of the time I'm pretty good at getting the stuff done, but it also depends on weather. We're supposed to get bad weather again tonight, which I'm done with the bad weather. But at least it's consistent weather, right? Mother Nature has decided to send us rain, wind, tornadoes. So, okay. It's been, we're still under a tornado watch. 6 tornadoes touched down here in one day on Friday, the day that my children had 2 shelter in places at school. They, yeah, so it's, least it's consistent. Now I think Mother Nature is just mad at us for outing her for having COVID. So if you hear something in the background, it's my older boys on the phone with Travis playing a game. So yeah, as brothers, they still play games over the computer, over the phone. So I think their bond as brothers needs to be as strong as it can. So I'm like, yeah. So I encourage all brother activity. Uh-oh. Anybody see what I've done? I've stuck that to my arm. All right. We're not going to stick you to my arm. Now, this is why I don't do more than one chicken or rooster in my car at a time, because if I'm sticking them to my arm and I have this much space, I don't have this much space in my car. So I was like, no. All right, I think that is it for this one. Not each chicken's gonna have the same colors in it, so we're gonna try with the S's. They both have S's in them. This is my favorite color right here. It's a little dark, but any shade of this color right here, this teal, light teal, this dark, I don't care. It's a teal. I love it. It almost reminds me of ocean water, right? Clear ocean water, not California ocean water, because ocean water in California is green or brown. So, yeah. But this reminds me of what ocean water should look like. And I absolutely love it.
You know what? For the fun of it, I'm gonna do that.
One day I'm going to get to like Hawaii or something, and I'm going to see the most clear water. Now, the clearest water I've seen is in Miss Judy's estate from Judy Does Crafting with Judy. Yeah, crafting with Judy. Yeah, I think it's Crafting with Judy. She lives in the state of Florida, and I love that water. They have the coolest water I've seen in my lifetime.
Whatever Mitchell's describing, I'm doing it.
They,
Whatever Mitchell's describing,
you have dolphins following your boat. Oh my gosh. I love dolphins, right? I love a lot of animals. I don't have a favorite or a this or a that. I mean, I love owls, right? Big cats. Yes, because I have little cats. I love them too, right? I love dogs. It's animals, just animals. Amber's digging for something, so she's around my feet. If she touches them, I might give a little squeal. So everybody just be ready for it. I'm trying to get a hair. I'm at home. My cats seem to, like, I don't know, they're over there on the bed with Travis, but their hair seems to be like everywhere. Oh my God. Oh, there. I got it. I got it. I don't know what Amber's quite done, but she is quite into under my table. So, I'm sure she has joined the Spill Club again or something if she doesn't.
It's Spill Club when it comes to wax.
Oh, you don't need wax. You got wax right there. You got wax right there. You got wax right there. You don't need wax. Stop digging for it right now. Stop digging. Oh shoot, I missed some S's over here, guys. I know you guys are like screaming at me going, Teresa, you're not done. I missed some S's over here. I did not add wax to my pen before I started this, so I may have to during, but I try not to do that, guys. And I'm sorry if I have to. I mean, I know it doesn't take long, but
Oh, I still go into my hand first.
Oh, come on. Those up there are T's, so, oh, right there's an S, but, okay.
Ice.
All right, now I'm done with the S's, guys, and I'm gonna move on to the Y's.
What do you
You guys all know that I like to try and do my specials last because it makes it hard to push down these little ones if your specials are already on there. And so I try to push them down first. Kind of saves me a step of having to go back in with my pen and do it.
I don't really
So-
care. You'll get rid of television.
But, ay.
Yeah.
Boop,
You're up.
boop. Amber, can you see the time?
Okay, I do that.
I think that is 21 minutes.
Okay, we're in 21 minutes in already. Wow. Wow. It don't seem like 21 minutes to me. I'm trying not to take up too much time with this, guys. So, but I want to try and get it done. Okay. Oh, I missed two H's right there. Oh, everybody knows how I hate that. When you look at something and go, oh, okay. And then you have to come back. I hate that. Hate that, hate that. Those are A's up there. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a Y. That's a Y. That's a Y. That's a Y. Oh, and look. Sorry guys, that's my microwave. I'm letting Damon's food cool. And if he sees it, then he throws a fit. And, yeah, you're welcome. And that's a Y. Okay. Da-na-na. I love seeing the colors come together, right? Like this brown, you can barely see it right here. I just love how it just disappears. Matter of fact, speaking of that brown, I didn't do all my W's on this guy either, and I don't know why. Maybe because I remember when I was doing the other side of this, I was thinking, wow, that's a lot of brown on this chicken. You know, this chicken could be so much brighter, right? But it looks good even with this much brown on it. I think it's that green that they set it off with, right? Because it looks awesome. All right, aha. I see another one, guys. I see another one. Right there. And right there. Just didn't take it down far enough. And look at that. I see more Y's. Oh my God. Let's put away. Calm down, Teresa. Just slow down. Amber told me what time it was, and I sped up again. Oh, that wasn't the one that needed the Y's.
Are we doing 2 chickens at once?
Yep.
Oh wow.
I don't normally do that, but
That's interesting.
2 chickens. Okay, like I said, I missed some H's over here, and I missed a couple in here, so we're... I'm forgetting to put them back. I'm ahead of myself. Doo-doo-doo. Doot-doot-doot. Okay, Damon. Shh, 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 shh. There's 1 H. 2 H's. 3 H's I missed on this one. All right. I think that's all of them on that one. But on this one, I missed 1 right there, and 1 up here. Scoot. Go ahead. Go on. Scoot back. Thank you. He's about to hit the tripod, and I'm like, no. All right, is that a red? I think that was from the first time I opened them up, and I just left it there. All right. Let's go with this fabulous yellow. These are the letters A's, which I have some on here. Oh. There's 1, and up here is 1. So yeah, me and Amber have started filming our the freestyle sticker fun series, right? And since she's in school, we have been doing it. We started it this weekend, and we're gonna leave it just doing it on the weekends and batch. Recording them so we can not be stressed out during the week and enjoy doing them. So, and since they're so small, it don't take that long to do them, right? The most part is the fact that it's the planning it. And since we look at it, we plan what we want to do, but then sometimes that changes once you get started on the actual sticker, putting something to paper, right? So they're not fast stickers, but they're also not like, you know, I just put an eye in there, guys, because that matches that side. And it was just sitting there. But, which one do I have? A green one in this one too. But we're going to start airing those soon, very soon. We just wanted to get ahead of the game, right? Ember forced me.
I did not force you.
Oh, yeah. Wait a minute. Maybe it was the other way around.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, everybody, you guys know how I like to be ahead of the game. Yeah, I like to be ahead of the game. I don't like waiting until the last minute, right? Because you never know what's coming up. And as soon as you don't plan for something, you're going to have a whole lot. Okay, all we have on this one is special drills. Oh, number 8. Never mind. We have number 8. His feet are number 8. I always forget the feet till last. I don't know why. So we need number V on this one. We have V in, and I forgot to do the T's on this one, so we have to revisit that one too. Oh my God. All right, these here are V's. They look purple on the thing. The background of them look purple, and then they're more of a peach, a light peach color. So I don't know. So, but you can expect to have plenty of content on the channel for a while. Those are ends. Yes. So I will have them scheduled, and we will keep up with the comments, right? Good thing about Ember's age now is they can't block my comments because she's not, or she's over that age. So they can't block my comments anymore, or they shouldn't block my comments anymore because she is over age to be good to go. So, all right. These are ends, guys. They are fabulous color. Right? They look like almost like a, I mean, just a deep blood red. You know? So. Oh my gosh. Alright, guys, I'm doing it.
Would these be considered a teal or a light blue?
Teal.
That is it.
I like teal. I really like teal.
Teal is just a really pretty color.
Like I said, it reminds me of the ocean water, like what ocean water should look like.
Should.
Not what it does, but what it should look like. It just, you know, well, you know, like on, what is it, Moana?
Moana, yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh, that water's good. That's how water should be.
That is like Damon's favorite movie. You know? So. Oh, look, that one's turned over. Couldn't get turned over. Found 2 more W's, guys. 2 more W's. Can you believe that? I am not seeing things correctly today. And then these down here are N's. Oop. Amber, how you doing over there?
I'm doing pretty good.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Put it in here and see. Let me see all of it.
All right. Let me turn around.
Woo! He gonna look pretty. So, do you know what you're gonna be using the journal for?
Yes. I was thinking like because like sometimes when I'm in school, I would have like free time. I would like search on the internet cute cartoon dinosaurs, and I found some cute jello-looking chubby dinosaurs, and they're adorable. So I'm gonna be drawing them in here, and possibly writing stuff in here also. Like I don't know. I have no clue what I'm gonna really do except for the dinosaur thing.
Oh. Okay, at least she's got a plan for it. Plan. These are T's, guys. And I don't know, they're like between a blue and a green. Really? And I don't know how else to tell you what color this is. It is, if this is a teal, then it is the darkest teal I've ever seen. Right? It's more of a blue-green, right? And it is just dark. So, but we are almost done, because we all know that specials go really fast. Oh, except for those teeny tiny teardrops. Those do not go fast. Those do not go fast. Right? We need a number 8. I'm going to get that one out. And I got to get one of these U's out because I need an I in this chicken. Now, it does not call for an I in these chickens, but the I is the only thing not diamond painted, and it kind of gets lost. Like this one. This one just, I mean, it gets lost in there and I can't see it. Right? Okay. I think that's where it goes. Okay. But yeah, I can't see it, and I can't stand it. It's like, no, they have to have an eye. And I started using that dark green for an eye because I decided to do it at work, and that's what I had. I didn't feel like, as Diamond Mike would say, Mike from Diamond Painting with Mike, he would say, I can't be bothered to get up and do that, or I couldn't be bothered to do that. So, yeah, I just couldn't be bothered to dig out some black because this kit didn't come with any black. So, I don't have any black. Normally, you ask Amber, I carry black, right, and black and silver in these, but I had the lobster claws in this one, and I have the things in this one, and everything else is being used. Otherwise, I would have black and silver rhinestones in these, because I carry that in every kit, just like I carry wax in every kit, right? So I still carry around a basic toolkit, guys, everywhere I go. Why? Well, because if you lose your pen, if you forget your pen, or here, God forbid, your pen should break, you still have all you need to finish a diamond painting by having a basic kit. So yeah, I still carry around a basic kit with me. When somebody says they're addicted to diamond painting, yes, I'm addicted to diamond painting. When I can, that's all I do. I diamond paint. I take it with me everywhere. Okay, now my specials are up here in baggies. We have Z's. There are them. Here are the X's, and then here are the minuses, which, look at this. I had like, I don't know, 8 chickens, and I need 1 per chicken.
Time to multiply the chickens.
I need 1 per chicken. The only place I have found an X is their beak, right? Well, so I need 2 per chicken, 1 per side is, right? So, and I had like, I don't know, 6 or 8 of these. Look how many they gave me of those teeny tiny teardrop or gold, the gold teardrops. Look at this, look at this. I did not need that many. I'm like, oh my God, that's an overkill. So I was like, what? So, and these are on both. And yes, guys, I just used my 4-placer to place these special drills. My 2-placer works pretty good for these. So, ta-da! Come on. There he goes. And I need, I almost had a perfect pour, but I need some down here, so never mind. X's. I need 4 down there and 1 up there. I definitely will try and get a perfect pour this time. There is 5. Little finger in there, pull them out. Yeah. Oh, what am I doing? I need the 2-placer. And we're done. All right. We got 1 here.
It goes.
We can use. It ain't funny, Damon. His shenanigans has started, and he's into things he shouldn't be doing. Yeah, we're trying to get him ready for school, guys. We really are, but he's fighting us every step of the way. Now, guys, these are extras. We are done. Look at the extras. So, all right, now we have these. I love these, but I have a whole lot of these because a whole lot of these came with my gnome signs. And oh my gosh, these are collecting fast. So, look at that. Absolutely fabulous. Yeah, these collect fast because, like I said, they are in my gnome sign. They're now in these chickens. I'm running across these silver marquees with the diamond or the AB coating everywhere. For some reason that one didn't look right. So I've got a nice storage of these. Are you in there? Yep, you are.
But ain't it always good to have storage of something?
Oh my gosh, but you don't understand. I've got storage of them. I've got a nice big... Okay. I looked through here and I could see a bead and it wasn't on this side. I turn it over and I could lose it every time, but I found it. So, all right, we are on to, oh, we'll do the beaks because if I don't do the beaks, those are the ones I forget. These are extras, guys. Yep, extra, extra, because these are our last 2 birds and we're almost done. Oh, look, I needed 2. Oops. Uh-oh. Remember, when I do these, especially if I'm on my own and I don't want to pull out my specialty tool that Ember is using, I have one too. I put new wax on my pen and it picks up those baby ones really good. And then I just lay it down. New wax on your single placer. Don't mash hard. Just pick it up and lay it down. Done. We got one more color, and those are the teeny tiny lavender teardrops. Right here. And I don't have as many of those as I thought I was going to because this bag looked big. But you can barely see where to put these guys. I mean, come on. They're teeny tiny. But I know that on this one, they're on his tail feathers. His bohunkus. I'm going to turn him around this way so that the point of it is towards me. And then I pick up all the ones in my tray where the point is towards me, and it makes it so much easier. Yeah, I'm being picky about which ones I pick up, but if it makes putting these teeny tiny little ones on here easier, yeah, I'll be picky. Oh my God, those are 2 ends. Okay, these are going this way. They are on his chest.
Oh wow, that's interesting.
Ember has found interesting, but she has not shared with us yet.
Okay. I didn't really think how it was gonna look when I did the first part. Like, it has this little crown looking thing in the middle of his head, and
It's a gem. It's in his forehead.
yeah, it looks really cute.
That's cool. Is this one centered? Because it looks like there's more room on this side. Look, I can fit my pen over here, and I can't over here. Now, don't scoot it over if it's going to show them.
That's how it was. Like, it was more like that.
See, but I can get my pin on both sides now.
Yeah, that actually looks perfect.
Sometimes, if it doesn't show the thing underneath, I move them babies because I have to like it too.
Oh wow.
Okay, I have 2 ends on this one. Yep. Here, you want me to hold it so you can see it from a distance?
Yeah.
I know you do.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice.
I have taught her, and she, in her, of course, you know, her art class has taught her that, guys, art is not made to look at up close. It is made to look at. I noticed I've got 2 I need to fix on this little chicken right here. It is made to look at from a distance. Oh, come on. Come on. Right? And so she wants me always to pick up her artwork and step back so I can show it to her from a distance. So, which, okay. I don't mind. All right, I fixed those. I don't think I'm missing anything over here. This one has an eye, that one has an eye, that one has an eye. Those 2 are eyes, and they have their feet done. So that's what I have to watch for, guys. Okay, we have 2 ends on this one. And then I have to go make dinner. Oh, look, and I got 3. Get back in there. We don't need you. Oh, there's an orange one on the table. Ember, could you... Coming. Coming. Oh, now it picked it up.
Oh, that's...
Open this for me. No. Yeah, guys, we don't, when it's a special, we don't mess around. We don't mess around with the specials. Oh, come on. Oh. Alright, guys, we are done. We are done for the birds, guys. For the birds. I don't know where this one goes. I'm not picking it on any. We are done for the birds. These, I will do a completion and have all of them in one thing. I gotta remember which side. Oh yeah, it's this side. Which side, but I'm gonna get these sealed, and then these will be with you too in a completion video, guys. Remember to check your little ones, your elderly, and your fur babies. Take care of yourself, because if you don't take care of yourself, you can't take care of anybody else. Everybody, remember, right? From my family to yours, we want to send you our hugs, our love, and our prayers. Everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.
Bye.